Hey guys, this is going to be a quick little tutorial. If you've recently purchased a decal from someone on Etsy or you're working on your own decals, but having trouble getting the decal to lift with the transfer tape. Just so you know, if you did order it from somebody and you're having this problem, this can happen in travel when you go from high humidity areas to low humidity or cold to warm. Just the weather changes in the travel can make this happen. I've had a few of my own customers reach out to me with this problem. It's really rare, but it does happen, so I thought I'd make this video as a reference. The first thing you can try is just taking a credit card or something similar to a credit card and just pressing over the decal again. Sometimes that's all it takes, just from the travel and the weather. But if it doesn't work, then I suggest flipping over your decal and pressing on the back with the credit card or something similar to a credit card. You can press a lot harder when you're pressing down on the back. If this still doesn't work, then the next thing you're gonna try is pressing down on your decal again, and then you're gonna pull back the backing and not the transfer tape. And you'll be able to see here that a little piece is trying to come up, and you're just gonna press down every time something like that wants to come up. If you have to do it like this, it is gonna take a little bit of time and a little bit of patience, but you will be able to pull off the entire backing, and then that way you can stick your decal to whatever you need. I'm also going to show you here, sometimes if you take your credit card again and go on the next area and really press down, you can get a bigger section off. I just want to remind you to be patient, take your time, try not to rush it, and remember that this can happen without us wanting to. I send out decals all the time, and it's happened maybe 4 or 5 times, and it's not something I'm doing intentional. I use the same materials all the time, and it just happens sometimes. I really hope this video was helpful and that you were able to get your decal off of your backing tape with your transfer tape. Give it a thumbs up, and thanks guys.